Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use green screen on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select video, and then I'm going to select new, and you can choose a video you want to add a green screen to. I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery. Wait, I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, I'm going to add green screen to this video. I'm going to change the canvas, guys. All right, and you're going to click on PIP, then choose a green screen video. Wait, I'm still looking for my green screen video. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to add this green screen billboard to my project. You can click on this autofill button to fit the screen like this, and then to remove the green screen, we're going to use chroma feature on InShot. To get the chroma feature, you can select Cloud, and then you're going to select chroma and place the circle or this color picker on the green screen to remove it, and you can adjust the strength and also the shadow. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and then you can click on the check mark like this, and then you're going to adjust the video. Wait, I'm going to make my video smaller and adjust it with the green screen. Okay, just like that. That's easy, right? And then I'm going to play it to check the final result. All right. Okay, basically we just need to use the chroma feature to remove green screen from our video, and don't forget to select the PIP to add the green screen as an overlay on your project. Okay, and if you want to export your video, you just need to click on export right here, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, so that's all the way to use green screen on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.